the unity of this country is very important. And that is why, as one of the leaders who is supporting His Excellency President Ruto, that as a president, he has managed to bring this country together. When we talk about the developments, when the senator speaks of what is happening in Homa Bay County, it's a replica of what is happening in each and every part of this country. And it's because of the visionary leadership of His Excellency President William Ruto. Something that had never happened since independence. And that is why, as a church, I want to plead and appeal with you that don't fall into the trap of pushing and advancing ideas of leaders who only know about division, who only preach tribalism. And I know in certain cases they get the chance to be or share podium with the clergy. As a clergy, and I want to humbly appeal to all of you that let not desecrate the platform in our churches to allow leaders who preach division, who preach hatred, and also help us in calling out lies, calling out some of these bad ills, because if we do not do that, we will lose our country. We must nurture a country where someone who is born in Homa Bay has the same chance to succeed in life as someone who is born in Mombasa County. Same as that one who is born in Garissa. Same as that one who is born in Nairobi. Because that is what God expects all of us to do.